Hi there, this is Java Jim with First Line Equipment. And today, which is March 20th, 2025, you see in front of us the Lelit Bianca. This is the first original machine that came into the USA in March of 2018. Had the flow control device. As you could see here, I've put on joystick valves and monster wands, and these joystick valves can be purchased on our website. They can be reversed to put on your standard wands that originally come with the Bianca, but if you want to be different, you'll have the monster wands here. What does this do? It gets the wands away from the lever on the group head. It also allows you to put larger pitchers for steaming milk, okay? And you can push these to the back as well if you like. Now, how do we know this is the original? The original had this panel on top instead of the grate. That's number one. Number two, and you will see the machine came from 2018. So when people are writing their reviews, and have them show you a picture of the label on the machine. And if you don't see a picture or a label and you just see pictures and a write-up, chances are they were told what to say. But if they did a review in person, have them show you what's down there to see when they got the machine. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments or questions, please ask down below. Hopefully we'll get a video on these wands. This was a almost 4-year research project because all these parts are custom made and they're exclusively at First Line. Thank you for watching. This is Java Jim at First Line Equipment. Coffee first, everything else second. And don't forget, thumbs up, subscribe, and share. Take care.